Hello! In this video, we'll show you how to add office locations to your account in Lead Center. To configure office locations, click on your name in the upper right corner, select Settings, and under Basic Settings, click on Office Locations. This will open the Office Locations page. Here, you can add the various office locations for your company. If your business has multiple offices, you can create a separate location for each one on this page. Office locations can be used to assign leads or contacts, as well as events and seminars, to specific locations. You can also filter reports, like the Sales Pipeline Report, Production Report, and Appointment Report by office location. For example, if you navigate to Reports and select Production Reports, you can use the location filter to view issued production by specific office locations. For example, if you want to view production data for a specific office, simply apply the location filter to display results for that office only. To add an office location, click on your name in the upper right corner, go to Settings, and then select Office Locations. Here, you can add a new office location by entering the name. For example, enter a name like Houston 2. Add Houston, Texas as the address, and click Save. If you accidentally added a duplicate location, like I did here, you can easily delete it. When adding an office location, you'll notice a public radio button. Selecting this option makes the office location visible as a drop-down filter in the Embedded Events List page on your website. We'll explore this feature further in our video about events and event management. Now you know how to configure office locations in your Lead Center account. Thanks for watching.